Hi guys, welcome to my channel, The Magical Art with Ananya. Today we'll learn drawing Christmas balls with circles. So, as Christmas is going on, everybody's life is filled with joy, mind is filled with happiness. So, let's quickly learn this easy drawing so that we can decorate our Christmas tree with these balls. So, first we'll draw a Christmas tree inside the circle, then draw some dots and make the head so that we can hang it on the tree with a ribbon or with a string. See, on the second ball we have made a random design, we have added a bow to it. So basically, with circles we have learned many things, but many of you don't know how to draw Christmas balls. So here is an easy tutorial for you. To follow such tutorial, to learn such tutorial, you need to follow my page, and don't forget to subscribe it, and there's a bell icon on the button of the page. Please do press that so that whatever new video I post, it reaches to you first and you can watch it at one go. And I have made different playlists. Please go and visit them. These are very easy drawings, everybody should learn them. See, on this one we just made some mountain designs, and then we are adding a ribbon to it, a bow to it, and just added a string to it. See, this is so simple, everybody can draw it. Think of some beautiful colors to make it look beautiful. It should be attractive to your eyes. And see, this one we have made a star, and we have done some dots and just added the head to it so that we can hang it, colored it with beautiful colors. And do like, share and subscribe my page for more such content.